Stop scrolling. If you are still waiting for the perfect time to learn English, this is your sign. Give me 20 minutes every day. Speak with me, and let's improve your English together. Welcome to Day 2. 30 Days English Speaking Challenge Day 2. Hello everyone. Welcome to Day 2 of our 30 Days English Speaking Challenge. If you watched Day 1, welcome back. If you are new, don't worry. You can start from today. Remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn. Today we will learn how to talk about our daily routine in simple English. Listen and repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a bath. I wear clean clothes. I eat my breakfast. I go to work. I study English every day. I come back home in the evening. I have dinner with my family. I read a book before sleeping. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Now, let's speak all the sentences together one more time. Great. Now try to talk about your own daily routine without reading. If you forget a sentence, don't stop. Keep speaking. Today's speaking challenge. Speak about your daily routine for 1 minute. Record your voice and listen to it. Practice these sentences at least 5 times today. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You only need daily practice. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow in Day 3. Keep practicing and never give up.